Where?
नो स्मोकिंग में बिना
For a woman to get into my pair of jeans. I'd love to wrap myself around a woman.
Yeah, I read somewhere that he was dying to see women getting into his trousers. As long as it's his brand of jeans inside.
If John Abraham's jeans fit well and complement my body, then I'll definitely buy them.
हमने सुना कि आपको जीन्स के बगैर भी पीछे से हम देखने वाले हैं अभी, is that true?
In where?
नो स्मोकिंग में बिना जीन्स बिना अदर स्टफ bare bottom जॉन दिखने वाले हैं, is it true?
नहीं, not at all.
Come on, say yes.
There is an indication कि हाँ, no smoking में there is a shot where बहुत सारे shots हैं इससे
जहाँ पे आपने कुछ नहीं पहना
जहाँ पे ऐसे लग रहा है कि you know you're not wanting but you don't show nudity क्योंकि ये एक universal picture है.
You don't want it to.
Yeah. And we are trying to stop smoking and we're showing nudity there.
नहीं, but
Problem हो जाएगा.
Yeah, I tell you what, and I'm saying this on record also. कोई फिल्म प्रमोशन नहीं चलता है. नहीं चलता है because I tell you what, the best promotion for a film is the film itself. Yeah. आपकी फिल्म अच्छी हो तो चलेगी. आपकी फिल्म बेकार होगी नहीं चलेगी. Correct है. And I've experienced both. हाँ. कोई प्रमोशन से कुछ नहीं होता है. So when we do this, I'm doing this because I enjoy this. This is fun. Yeah. Sorry. Seatbelt. This is fun for me. Protect yourself there because I think some of my films that have not worked are better than some of the films that have worked. Yeah. जैसे मेरी फेवरेट फिल्म is always No Smoking. Yeah. I love No Smoking. अभी पता नहीं लोगों को पसंद है नहीं है लेकिन मेरे लिए मेरी फेवरेट फिल्म है क्योंकि एक अलग किस्म की फिल्म थी. हाँ. अनुराग कश्यप ने बनाई. करेक्ट. और अनुराग और मैं उस दिन बात कर रहे थे और he said George you always stand by. I said I freaking love No Smoking and I think people make sequels out of hit films. Let's make a sequel out of a flop film. I said this is the way to do it.
नहीं, did I tell this? I don't know. In the starting I said कि एंटी हीरो की शुरुआत आपने की है.
Correct.
है ना?
Yeah. भट्ट साहब ने मुझे ये कहा कि पहली बार someone is playing anti
में काम करते हो because you feel that I want to make this film and I have to make this film. But I'm not going to make it at the cost of others. Which was the only lesson I learned from No Smoking. After No Smoking, I never learned that lesson कि मैं No Smoking दोबारा नहीं बनाऊंगा. अगर बनाऊंगा कभी दोबारा तो नुकसान अगर होना होगा तो मेरा होगा, किसी और का नहीं होगा. Right. I will do what I want to do. But the thing is, Gangs of Wasseypur, I know the subject gave me. It is that film. It's a film about me not wanting to quit smoking, but nobody let me smoke. And those fingers were cut. It's like this is what I used to write with.
Right.
Not holding a cigarette, holding a pen. So everything in the film, if you see from where my life was at that point, the film was made like that. And while making the film, the biggest joke on the set was, when this film will play out, we'll put a camera and watch audience's reaction.
Return of Hanuman, which is really.
I've read everything on Karl Marx. I've read everything on Sigmund Freud also, philosophy. And I've read everything on Kafka, which is why I did No Smoking.
Really?
And I'm a big fan of Kafka. So Kafka is all about alternate reality. So what is No Smoking? No Smoking is a film where a guy has to give up smoking and his wife tells him, give up, others I'll leave you. And he goes to a rehab run by Baba Bengali, who's Paresh Rawal's character. And then you realize he goes crazy and he's put in a gas chamber. And in that gas chamber, he looks at himself on the other side and he goes and touches himself. And the camera goes to the other side. And you realize that you are watching the film from his alter ego and not his real self. But the problem is you don't know when you switched. So a lot of people, when they come out of the hall, they're like, either they're very upset that they didn't understand, or they would go back in and watch it again, or they'd be put off and say, we don't want to see this kind of a film.
And that's what happened with No Smoking at that time, unfortunately.
No one really saw the film, but one of the few films I'm very proud of.
Yeah.
Yeah, very proud of that film.
How do you look back on it now?
Oh, thank God I did it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I keep telling Anurag, that let's do a part 2. Everybody makes part 2s out of hit films. Let's make it out of a film that only Anurag and me saw.
Now so many people have seen No Smoking. आप Instagram पे जाओगे, आप John Abraham film search करोगे, सबसे पहले No Smoking आएगी.
सिगरेट या 100 सिगरेट या 120 सिगरेट पीने पड़े, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द डे. अगर बहुत भारी सीन्स रहते थे नो स्मोकिंग के तो शायद 100-120 के आसपास. बहुत ज़्यादा. जी मैं स्मोकर नहीं हूँ लेकिन एक आध बार मैंने सिगरेट उठाई है, ओकेजनली मैंने पी है, उसकी वजह से मेरे लिए बहुत आसान थी. लेकिन आज के तारीख में सिगरेट नहीं पीता. नहीं, किसी ने नहीं पकड़ा. मैंने खुद सिगरेट पकड़ा है इसे. किसी ने नहीं मुझे पकड़ा. जी फर्स्ट सिगरेट जब भी मैनेजमेंट में था उस वक्त पे मैंने पी थी, MBA कर रहा था.
One really saw the film, but one of the few films I'm very proud of.
Yeah.
Yeah, very proud of that film.
How do you look back on it now?
Oh, thank God I did it.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank God I did it, and that's what I keep telling Anurag, that let's do a part 2. And you know, everybody makes part 2s out of hit films. Let's make it out of a film that only Anurag and me saw.
नहीं now यार, what are you talking about? Now तो so many people have seen No Smoking. आप Instagram पे जाओगे, आप John Abraham film search करोगे, सबसे पहले No Smoking आएगी.
Yeah, that was a great film. Great film. And even performance-wise, the way the director handled me in that film, gave me space, you know, blocked a frame and said, what would you do in this space? So every director's got a different approach. So even The Diplomat, for example.
No Smoking came out of a place where I was exhausted. This was after like when my films had stuck. Arvind Karishnan got shelved, Grand Hotel got shelved, Black Friday got stuck, Panch got stuck, Gulal was half done and stuck. My friends were doing things and everything was happening for them. So I had everybody from my family to extended family to world advising me on why do you do this? Why don't you make a film? I did Feng Shui in the house. I did everything that anybody believed in. At that time, anybody who came and said that this is the problem, your chakras are not right, your grahas are not right. एक भाई ग्रह ठीक नहीं है, ये ठीक करो, वो ठीक करो, ये घर का कोना बदलो, मैं सब करने को तैयार हूँ. So at that time, No Smoking came from there, where literally it is like a film about me, who smokes a lot, who makes this kind of films, and everybody telling him, don't do that.
Don't do that.
And which is why, at that time, my friend who became the most successful was Abbas Tywala.